Looks like Snowman fell apart.
Woohoo!
Hey, welcome back. We are out for some exercise. We got out and we decided, well, where are we going to go? It's snowing, so let's go and have some fun. Well, we're doing that. We're coming up, and we decided we go to the Kelly Tree. Come up here and have a look at the Stringybark Creek Reserve. We've been here before, but we're going to come back again because I haven't been here during snow, so we're going to go and check this out right now. I suppose you've seen in other videos where my daughter's tried to scare me. Yeah, well now every time she finds a bit of snow, she's stopping to pick it up and throw it at me. Oh, snow! I reckon we get her when she's not expecting it. What was that?
That one was not a puddle.
Looks like the kids are on poo patrol. I reckon since we started this walk, I reckon it's probably dropped. Does it feel colder? Yeah. I reckon it's probably dropped to 1 or 2 degrees. So it's probably about 3 or 4 degrees at the moment. But it's not a very big walk. We're not far from the car. It's a nice little loop. She's coming up behind me through. Hey, you rat! Snow in the pocket. Oh, this child is gonna cop a big snowball.
Now what that say?
That tells you the story about the death of Sergeant Kennedy. As Daniel was just asking, what was this song about? Well, it's in this area that Sergeant Kennedy's body was found by the search party. So, you know, this is a pretty whole historical area, this whole area. What are you saying?
Me?
Yeah.
Whose bright idea was it? To go for this one.
I don't even know whether we're going to get this walk finished. It got dark really quickly. It's getting cold. Rain's trying to set in. Daniel's just slipped over and is crying. Oh shit, what happened, buddy? Because you fell over? You alright? You a tough boy? Yeah, you're tough. Righto. Let's keep making tracks before we get too wet.
Yeah. Half my head's getting wet.
Yep. We really picked a ripper of a time to come for a walk because cold. It's wet, although it is cool. Slippery. Looks like Snowman fell apart. Ned's mask. Alright, we're back. We've finished the walk. Now we're going to get out of this rain and go home and warm up. And I'm going to see you in the next video.